How to fix cannot connect to App Store issue on your iPhone. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can fix the cannot connect to your App Store issue on your iPhone. Well, if you're having trouble connecting to the App Store, you can try certain steps. The first is to check your internet connection, that you're connected and that you have stable internet connection. You can also verify your date and time settings. Ensure your VPN is disabled, or if any issues, you can restart your device and update your software. Now, the first basic step is to check your network connection. If your network connection is fine, you can reset your network settings. In order to reset your network settings, you can simply first head into settings. Once under settings, head into general. Once under general, here you can scroll down and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, then tap on reset, and you can see reset network settings. You can reset the network settings. If you have an incorrect date and time, then it might be the issue as well. So you want to correct your date and time on your phone. To adjust it, head into settings again. Once under settings, you want to head into general again. And under general, you want to head into date and time option. And now here you can enable set automatically. If you have enabled VPN, you want to disable that as well. So these are the steps how you can fix cannot connect to your App Store issue. Hope this video helped you to like and subscribe.